This bike, same bike I've been working on. I have taken out the brand new starter and put in the starter off of my 300XC, and now this thing starts just like my bikes. Starts right away. So my friend was right. This brand new starter is weak, and probably should be returned. Let's see what happens here. Bike's warm. 132. I was just riding it around a little bit. Got it warm. So here we go. Nice and fast. So fast that it doesn't even have a chance to hesitate or anything. Just fires right away. So I think once a brand new starter's put in this thing, it'll be perfect. What I'm going to do now though is take all this stuff back off and then put this new starter that was on it during the last test. I'm going to put that back on and try this again. I'll take another vid, assuming it does what I think it's going to do, which is start just like it did in the last vid. Pretty much okay, but not the way it's supposed to be. That's how it should be. Now, I didn't do anything to the carburetor as far as rich. It might still be, but I don't think that's affecting it anymore. I think it was before when the float was way high because it was just drowning in fuel. Basically, the bowl was almost full. Because I had hooked the bike that this tank and starter came off of to this bike via jumper cables and had them connected and cranking on this, and it was cranking fast but still wouldn't even fire. So that was when the float was too high. But I think the jetting is okay actually right now. Cinches it for sure. The starter is bad, which kind of sucks, but now we know.